Well guys, welcome back to Straley's Garage. Today, this Kohler motor on this log splitter has proven to be quite the difficult engine. I started having some trouble with it running, took the carb off, had a lot of rust and everything in it, so I actually got a new cheap Chinese carb off Amazon, put it on, seemed to work great for that time when I used it. Came back a week or two later to use it again, still working okay, but then it started to run a little funky like it had. And now this time I came back and I just messed with it for over an hour, checking everything, pulled the carb off, nothing in the carb, fuel filter clean, and it's still running. It's not running, basically. It's just barely running on full choke and full throttle, and it keeps shutting off, and it's not having any RPM to it. So I'm done messing with it for now. I got to split some wood, so I went over to Harbor Freight, got a 212 Predator, and we're gonna see how long it takes to put it on. It's basically these 1, 2, and 2 more bolts underneath to pull that off for the hydro. There's going to be a set screw on the coupling, and then the 4 engine bolts under there, 2 on that side and 2 on the other. So hopefully it won't take too long. I will set you guys up and give you a little time lapse. Alright, so as you can see, that literally took no time at all. 15 minutes actually, a little less than 15 minutes to unbolt everything. I cleaned up the engine mounting plate and this back surface of the pump housing here, the pump adapter, just so it's all clean and there's no dirt getting in the threads and all that stuff. So I got the Predator engine out of the box. It's right next to the Kohler motor here, so you can see they're pretty much identical. It should work flawlessly, I'm hoping. So I'm gonna fill this one up with oil. I have to get this pump spline, lug coupler, whatever it's called, off of here onto there. Not a big deal. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to drain the oil out and get that put back on there with the the new engine and everything, and I'll set you up when we're getting it put back together. Alright, as you can see, I put it back on. I put oil in it and did the coupling off camera, but I tightened down all the bolts and put gas in it, and it fired up one pull. And it's running nice, so we gotta let this break in a little bit and we get back to using it. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.